Azalea with her new little car toy. Take one.
Yes.
You pushing your toy around? Your favorite new thing to do. Push toys around now.
I'm pulling it out right now. I'm pulling it out right now. Oh, yeah.
Ma, you gonna push over by Mom?
It says on here how much, but you can obviously,
And push it over here.
however much you want.
Turn around.
What's that?
Go ahead and push it to Mama.
Well, I brought pretty much all my Thanksgiving recipes, but I have the candy yams and turkey and...
Go, 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 go.
Which one? Candy yams? Yeah, that's my favorite. Okay.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, is that Trader Joe's?
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh. Oh, yeah, definitely.
Beep, beep, beep.
I thought there was one by...
Hello.
Was
Hey.
it by Piedmont Park?
Hi.
That's what I remember hearing.
Hey.
I think we stopped.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
So maybe...
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
You gonna find the cat? Say hey to the cat.
Hey.
Hey to the cat.
Right. I
Where's
think,
the cat at?
I think that's where I heard it.
Where's the cat? Hey.
Hey.
Where's that cat at?
Alright.
Where's that cat at?
Oh, yeah.
Back to pushing your cart.
Sounds good. Good night. I will. Okay, bye. Yeah. Bye-bye, Grandma.
Beep,
You
beep.
marching to your little tune?
Get on down, girl. Play that tune again. This one right here. Play that tune again. Go. Where's that cat at? Hey.
Hi. Yay, ta!
Boom. Crashing. Crashing and burning.
Hey.
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 Where's that cat at? Yay. What are you gonna do with it? Look at your feet. Yes, it's a camera. Say hi. Say hi.